Aldersyde sub in Vulcan, Alberta, Canada. There's this one. I'm not sure what train symbol it is yet. It's CP though, Canadian Pacific. It's a nice day for train. We'll just have to wait and see what it is. Hopefully there's something right on it. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Let's go. I feel like it always gets super quiet before a train arrives. Well, it's not arriving, it's just passing through. Headed down to Kipyard from Calgary, Aldersyde. Sounds like it's actually speeding up. Which is kind of strange for Vulcan. Because they actually have to slow down to like 50 kilometers per hour. Because we have... Listen to that though. Super nice sound. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go. Let's go. Enjoy the time before the train. That's what I have to say. But now you can enjoy the train video. So here we go. Let's go. Listen to that. On train videos, you gotta really listen. Here we go. Let's go. That's the last time I'll say that then.